When you're there foreign and you decide to go cook big pot, you better make sure so you share out your whole food for the rest of the week from Sunday to Sunday, else you got dead for you hungry. Anyways, I drop my mic here. I have 5 food is for today and tomorrow. So no pay me no mind here. Me a real drama. Oh, but guess what? Me forgot to tell you what in the food. So that a piece of lettuce, mashed potato, and what me use in the mashed potato is coconut milk. So I boil the coconut milk and use it to mash the sweet potato. Delicious. And that a gungo rice and peas and brown stew fish. Yes, I'm gonna cook up the fish in a coconut milk as well. And just add a little piece of lettuce on the side. You know me love this whole heap of different greens to eat with rice to balance out the diet. But sometimes I'm in the mood to make all of that. So that is it. And that is dinner.